Pag-ibig ay para sa matatapang. Bakit ka sumugal sa laban na alam mong talo ka na? Because hope is always saying na baka ito na, baka siya na, baka iba siya. Baka hindi na ako paasahin yan gaya ng iba. Baka this time, itong taong to somehow seseryosohin ako. Mas masarap kasi yung sumusubok kaysa matalo ka nang hindi man lang sumugal. Masakit isuko yung bagay na ilang beses mo pinaglaban. Alam mo kung anong masakit? Yung ikaw na lang ang patuloy na lumalaban habang siya bumibitaw na kasi nakahawak na sa iba. Masakit, but at the same time, it's always a brave act. Ang pagsuko doesn't mean talo ka. Kahit gaano mo gustong ilaban, kung talagang hindi sang-ayon ng universo at tadhana, wala ding kahantungan. Kaya siguro pwedeng itigil mo na. Magpahinga ka, mahalin ang sarili, kilalanin ang sarili. Hindi ibig sabihin na sumuko ka, hindi mo na siya mahal, at hindi mo na nakikita yung halaga niya. Mahirap lumaban na ikaw lang mag-isa. Masakit maiwan at ipagpalit sa iba. Malamang, sino ba naman ang iniwan na nag-thank you pa? If you can change the way you feel, change the way you think. Mind over body ba? Hindi lahat ng iniwan ay talo. Ganun talaga. Feeling mo, hindi ka nagkulang at ikaw ang nawalan. Isipin mong ikaw pa rin ang panalo dahil ikaw ang nagmahal ng totoo. Focus ka sa personal growth mo. Mas okay maiwan kaysa mang-iwan. Nawalan siya ng nagmamahal sa kanya, ikaw nawalan ng taong hindi ka totoong mahal. Lugi siya actually. Mas masakit kapag pinipilit. God's ways are not your ways. Don't always follow your heart. You tend to follow your heart's direction rather than directing your heart into something good. You keep on choosing the same person and even lose yourself in the process. Like how a knife stabs you. The deeper you push, it becomes painful and harder to pull back. So please, habang mababaw pa lahat, pull the knife back. Be thankful for the lost love. Huwag kang manghinayang mag-let go. 2 years, 3 years, 6 or even 100 years. Huwag. Ano bang panghinayangan mo? Yung taon na pinagsamahan nyo? It's okay to wait long than marry wrong. Buti nga ngayon kayo nag-break kaysa kung kasal na kayo. Mas malaking financial and emotional investment ang nasayang at pagsisisihan ninyo. I know someone will be there. Go and discover new love. At least you will have the opportunity to find someone na hindi ka iiwan. Love is a war. Okay, remember this. Love is ended a war. And how do you win a war? By staying together. You don't win a war by fighting each other. You win a war by fighting together. Feel but don't let yourself get thrown into your own emotions. Daanan mo lang, huwag mong tambayan. Oo, nasaktan tayo pero natural yun dahil nagmamahal tayo. We have to embrace the wisdom na kapag nagmahal ka, dapat handa ka sa sakit at pagmamahal. Let all that emotions encapsulate you to be a better person. We only have 24 hours a day. Don't let them all gone by just sacking around. Nawala na siya sa'yo. Huwag mong hayaang mawala ka. Ang oras, ang mga kaibigan mo, ang saya sa bawat minuto. Huwag. Isa lang ang nawala sa'yo. Huwag mong gawin buong mundo. If you can, help others. If you cannot do that, at least do not harm them. This world is so harsh, unfair, and depressing. Adaptation is needed to survive. Always choose to be good, and that's the least you can do to anyone for free. Mahiya ka naman sa mga magulang mo. Ginastusan ka nila ng mahal para mapalaki kang mabuti. Go and explore new love. Don't take it kasi malungkot ka lang. Don't take it kasi napapasaya ka lang. Don't take it kasi tinutulungan ka niyang makalimot. Huwag kang humanap ng kalinga ng tao dahil iba ang hahanap mo. kapag malungkot tayo, our tendency is to do all things na makapagpapasaya sa atin without knowing the consequences. Bakit magsasettle ka sa pansamantalang happiness kung pwede namang sure and lifetime? If you really want to be happy, heal yourself first. Tapos kung feeling mo okay na, go for it. Go and explore new love. Ayoko ng for the meantime happiness. It has to be sure and lifetime, real and genuine. Your heart is so fragile at hindi to deserve masaktan ng masaktan. Huwag gawing habi ang katangahan. Let thy heart be in our favor. No matter how good you are, the universe will send you exactly what you asked for, then send you a distraction to see if you're worth it. Lastly, if it always hurts, it's not love.